Our first inductee is James Jimmy Adams III. He is the president of Coach LLC and a leading manufacturer of luxury motor coaches. He also serves as the chief operating officer for Amadas Industries, a specialized manufacturer of agricultural and industrial equipment. He earned his Bachelor of Science degree in Industrial Engineering in 1995 and was a member of Phi Kappa Alpha fraternity at NC State, and he also played club lacrosse while he was here. So obviously he did more than just study and become successful. He has a passion for motorsports and completed a professional auto racing and has competed professionally driving Porsches, Vipers, and Le Mans prototype cars in IMSA, Grand-Am, and SCCA Pro Racing Series. He's been a winner and a record holder in the Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. I've seen that before, so that's really quite something. And he has also served as a driving instructor for auto manufacturers, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, and sometimes even in South America. He and his wife, Hannah, met at NC State. They have 2 children and reside in Suffolk, Virginia. As a couple, they actively support the Suffolk Humane Society, the Suffolk Art League, and many other societies in their community. For leisure, Jimmy enjoys travel, boating, skiing, fishing, hunting, motorhoming, and obviously motorsports. He is an active member of the Young Presidents Organization and serves as the Virginia State Chairman of the YPO. And we're very pleased to have him here. So, Jimmy, if you please come forward to accept your award.
Well, thank you very much for the recognition. It really is an honor. It's been a little better than 20 years since I finished up in IE. I squeezed a 4-year program into 5. So, as for the motorsport vein, I like to say I did a victory lap. But it's really been most valuable to me as I went out into my professional career to have the mixture that IE offered between the depth of technical knowledge you get, getting a little taste of so many engineering disciplines, but to combine that with business focused curriculum like economics, statistics, things like that. So that really cultured my entrepreneurial spirit, I think, going forward. So we heard a little bit about some of the racing background, and I turned that into part of a business that I built with the help of my family, which we built, crazy enough, these large luxury motorhomes that we actually sell to a lot of the major racing teams and championship-winning drivers. We've got probably 3 or 4 NASCAR Sprint Cup winners that are champions that are in our products. So it's funny. I have to thank the Fitz for all of their support of the IE department, which has now become the ISE department. Because some of you that are my age might remember being picked on by our mechanical and civil engineering colleagues who I think called us imaginary engineers sometimes. Yeah. But really, I think more appropriately, we're really imaginative, right? Imaginative engineers. That's how I believe it should be, because a lot of us go out and do really interesting things with what we learned at NC State. So can't say thank you enough. Really appreciate the warm welcome, and love to see how the department has progressed and turned into the ISE department. Thank you.